Hey YouTubers, we are back with another video. Before moving on to the main topic of today, that is NPTQ, registration processes and whatever you need to know about it, I really want to convey one thing to you guys, that in the upcoming months there are going to be a lots of placement drives. So if you do want to get notified every time we put out a video or we notify you about any exam, do subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. So what is NPTQ? NPTQ is basically an certification exam that's conducted by Infosys. If you clear this exam, you'll be certified as an Infosys certified software programmer, and you'll be eligible to be sitting in an interview for Infosys for around like 3 packages, starting from 3.5 to 8.5 lakh per annum packages. On to the next question: who all are eligible for the exam? So it's only for the freshers. You can be attempting this certification exam if you are from any technical background, any technical degree, and you should be a pass out or going to be a pass out of 2022. Other than that, there is no eligibility criteria. I'll share the links in the description. I told you before, there are going to be 3 rounds. First will be qualifying round, second will be final round, and third will be advantage round. I'll explain everything to you, like what's qualifying round, what's final round, what's advantage round. In the first round, you'll be asked about programming. Your skills of programming, database management, and aptitude will be checked thoroughly. This is the qualifying round. The second round is final round. Upon clearing the qualifying round, you enter this round. This is the final Infosys certification, which will test your in-depth programming and database management expertise through objective hands-on questions. This is the final Infosys certification, which will test your in-depth programming and database management expertise through objective and hands-on questions. Scoring 65% in this round or above means you are an Infosys certified software programmer. The third round, which name is advantage round. In this round, this is optional for those who clear the final round. Scoring 65% or above in the final round means that you are qualified to be in this exam. You can give this exam. It's on you. It's totally dependent on you if you want to give this exam or not. If you score 65% above in the final round, you'll still get the certificate of being a certified software programmer from Infosys. Other than that, you'll also be eligible for sitting in this advantage round, a test which will assess programming and other technical skills. Clearing this round means an interview opportunity for power programmer and system programmer. So let's look at the patterns of these rounds, like the qualifying round, final round, and the advantage round. So the pattern for qualifying round is, in the first section, you first of all you would be given a choice for the languages you would prefer in the exam. Either it will be Java or Python. That first section in this qualifying round consists of 20 marks. The second section, which is of database management system, consists of 10 marks, and the third section in this qualifying round, the first round of this NPTQ, the third section is of aptitude, which consists of same 10 marks as database management system. Coming on the final round, which is after you have qualified the qualifying round of NPTQ, there are 3 sections again. First is the language that you have chosen, hands-on. First section consists of only 2 numbers, but hands-on Python or Java that you have selected in between any of them. The second section consists of multiple choice question, which would be of 10 numbers and which would be related to the language that you have chosen. The third one is database management system again, and it would consist 10 marks again in your second round. So database management system, in the first round it also consisted of 10 marks. In the second round it's also consisted of 10 marks. In the second round there's no aptitude. Give all the details, like how much time the exams will be, the dates of the exams. You'll find every detail in the description, so you don't need to be anywhere other than our channel to be fully knowing about NPTQ. No worries, check the description. You could check out other playlists too. At last, the pattern for the advantage round. Well, there are three programming questions of varying difficulty level. So the difficulty level will be different of every question. To be answered, they should be answered in 3 hours. Each question will have different weightage of marks. So each question will have different weightage of marks. In addition to the programming language, Python, Java, which you have selected at the time of booking a test slot for the qualifying round, you will have the option to attempt this round in other languages also. So you don't need to be stuck on Java, Python. If you're more comfortable in C, C++, in this round you could use any languages for that. Candidates who also clear the advantage round will get a pre-replacement interview opportunity for either power programmer or systems engineer specialist role based on their performance in this round. So this round will be very important, as you could get placed in Infosys as a power programmer or a system engineer specialist role based on their performance, like based on your performance in this round, this advantage round. Three questions, three programming questions, all of different weightage, all would be varying from each other, and you could choose any language to be solving to solve these questions. The interview for these roles will assess the technical and behavioral skills of the candidate. So uh, other than your technical skill, your behavioral skill is also important. At the end, don't forget to like this video, give us likes, give us subscribes, share this video to your friends who are going to be passed out, to your juniors, to your seniors. If you are watching this video anywhere on the internet, just share it to your friends. That would be a lot of helpful for them. At last, I would say goodbye. Let's see you in the next video. For the keep preparing, and I would love to hear you all got placed after this semester or anywhere near in the future. We really want you to get placed. Keep working, be persistent, and you will be at your own success. See you guys. Let's meet next time. Thank you. If you feel like that you didn't got sufficient information, even though you got to know a lot of things, and you still feel that you want to hear the experiences of your seniors that already got placed in these exams, that had studied with Skillbound, so go and definitely see these videos. We have put the thumbnails over here, and the links will be in the description. And please just go watch their videos. You'll learn a lot from their videos, that how they cracked their exams. They have shared all of their experiences with Idrish sir. So please go and watch the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.